Porsche has publicly unveiled the new Porsche 911 GTS, a road-legal sports car boasting a powerful new powertrain that delivers impressive acceleration, propelling the car from standstill to 62 miles per hour almost instantaneously. The new model features a lightweight design and more aggressive styling. Since its introduction in 1964, the 911 sports car has been continuously updated by Porsche, with the automaker consistently enhancing its features while maintaining the brand's signature drive quality and aesthetics. The 2025 Porsche 911, also known as the Porsche 992.2, introduces a hybrid system reflecting the German automaker's preference for innovation in the new model. The 2025 Porsche 911 exemplifies exceptional design, seamlessly blending tradition with futuristic elements. Its silhouette remains unmistakably 911, characterized by sharper lines and an aerodynamic profile that enhances its performance. The front fascia is more aggressive, featuring active air flaps for optimized cooling. The iconic round headlights now incorporate advanced matrix LED technology. The car is offered with 3 tire sizes ranging from 19 to 21 inches. This new 911 is available both as a convertible and a traditional coupe. From a distance, the side profile of the 2025 Porsche 911 resembles a jet cockpit, complemented by an additional curved rear windshield placed over the cargo area. The rear features a redesigned light strip with an integrated Porsche logo, creating a design that honors its heritage while boldly embracing modernity. Inside, the cabin exudes sporty luxury, with premium leather, Alcantara, and metallic accents creating an environment that is both opulent and driver-focused. The coupe comes standard as a 2-seater, providing an intimate driving experience that is quintessentially Porsche. However, for those who desire more versatility, a 2+2 seating arrangement is available at no additional cost, allowing for rear passengers without compromising the car's sleek profile. This added feature offers flexibility and enhances the appeal of the 911. What are your thoughts on this new feature? Share your opinion with everyone in the comment section. At the heart of the 911's cockpit is a thoughtfully designed center console, catering to the modern driver's needs. It features a novel storage compartment that secures, charges, and cools your smartphone with an integrated inductive charging pad. This ensures your device remains at an optimal temperature and battery level even during spirited drives. The ignition experience in the 2025 model has been enhanced with a new start button, positioned to the left of the steering wheel, maintaining the traditional Porsche layout. The instrument panel of the updated 911 represents a significant evolution with the debut of a 12.6-inch digital instrument cluster. This state-of-the-art display diverges from the analog tradition but compensates with numerous customizable features. Drivers can select from various display modes, including a nostalgic center tachometer and a 5-gauge layout reminiscent of classic 911s. Additionally, the tachometer display can be adjusted, set at the 7,000 RPM mark. A sweet spot for performance enthusiasts, aligns perfectly at the top, ensuring optimal readability during high-performance driving. The Porsche Communication Management PCM system has also been upgraded, now featuring a 10.9-inch touchscreen display. The integration of Apple CarPlay has been refined, allowing its display not only on the PCM screen but also within the instrument cluster, offering greater flexibility in interacting with your media. Entertainment options have expanded with the capability for video streaming, transforming the 911's cabin into a mobile theater when parked. Additionally, popular music apps like Spotify and Apple Music are now embedded within the PCM system, enhancing the overall in-car entertainment experience. Under the hood, the 2025 Porsche 911 Carrera GTS debuts an innovative lightweight T-hybrid powertrain. This powerhouse features a newly developed 3.6-liter 6-cylinder boxer engine paired with an electrically driven turbocharger and an in-transmission electric motor. Together, they deliver a combined 532 horsepower and 449 pound-feet of torque. This setup propels the 2025 Porsche 911 from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.9 seconds, a significant improvement from the previous 3.9 seconds, at the top speed of 194 miles per hour. The electric turbocharger, a marvel of engineering, ensures immediate throttle response and enhances overall performance. The 2025 Porsche 911 Carrera GTS heralds a new era in the model's storied lineage, particularly in its suspension system. This latest iteration introduces rear axle steering as a standard feature across the GTS range for the first time. This innovative system enhances the vehicle's agility and stability, providing dual benefits. At high speeds, it significantly improves stability, Giving drivers a heightened sense of confidence during rapid maneuvers at lower speeds effectively reduces the turning circle, making the 911 GTS more nimble and easier to handle in tight spaces. The new model is over $6,000 more expensive than its predecessor. Interested buyers can order the 2025 Porsche 911 at a starting price of $122,095, while the top trim with additional features can go as high as $187,995.